Hello, I hope you are safe in your home. Myself, Shweta Ambekar from second year Diploma in Information Technology Department from Government Polytechnic Washim. I am going to tell you about Corona awareness. So let's start our video. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals as well as in humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease called COVID-19. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. COVID-19 is now a pandemic affecting many countries globally. So, the corona awareness among the people is very important. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms are sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell. Serious symptoms are difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. How does COVID-19 spread? COVID-19 spreads mainly by droplets produced as a result of coughing or sneezing of a COVID-19 infected person. This can happen in two ways. Direct close contact. One can get the infection by being in close contact with COVID-19 patients, especially if they do not cover their face when coughing or sneezing. Indirect contact. The droplets survive on surfaces and cloths for many days. Therefore, touching any such infected surface or cloth and then touching one's mouth, nose, or eyes can transmit the disease. This is why it is important to stay at home. How can we protect others and ourselves from COVID-19? Wash your hands frequently for at least 20 seconds at a time with warm water and soap or alcohol-based hand wash. Don't touch your face, eyes, nose or mouth when your hands are dirty. Don't go out if you are feeling sick or have any cold or flu symptoms and use Arogya Setu app. Stay at least 2 meters away from the people. Avoid gatherings and crowded closed areas. Cover your mouth with a tissue or the inside of your elbow whenever you sneeze or cough. Throw away any tissues you use right away. Clean any objects you touch a lot. Use disinfectants on objects like phones, computers, utensils, dishware, and door knobs. When you go out, cover your nose and mouth with a homemade mask. Follow the directions that are given by the doctors and the government. At last, I would like to say thanks to all who are risking your lives, all the health professionals, doctors and police. Thank you to our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi and Chief Minister Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. We all have a joint mission right now and it's staying at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.